Sonny's Sodorian Snowstorm, written by Duck Show Studios. One night, Sonny came to spend the night at Ffarquhar Sheds. Hello, you must be the new engine.
Yeah, I'm Sonny.
I'm Toby, pleased to meet you. I hear tomorrow we're supposed to pull a train of empty trucks to Ffarquhar Quarry. How does that sound?
Sounds great.
And the two engines talked for a good while before heading to sleep. The next day, they went to a yard to get their trucks. Soon, they were coupled up and ready to go. Ready, Sonny?
Ready, Toby.
And they were off. Mavis was waiting at Ffarquhar Quarry. Hello, Mavis, said Toby. This is Sonny.
Hello, Toby. Hello, Sonny,
said Mavis.
Empty trucks, just what I need.
The three engines worked hard, shunting trucks and hauling freight. After all the trucks had been taken to the docks, the quarry manager came to see them. Well, looks like you two will be spending the night here. Okay.
All right.
The three engines slept in the sheds. But as they slept, a storm arrived. It was a snowstorm, and snow went everywhere, all over the tracks. The next morning, they woke to see white, thick snow. There's bad news, said the quarry manager.
What's the news? Said Mavis. What's the news?
The snow has covered the tracks. I am afraid that the big drifts will be too bad for any engine trying to get into the quarry. We need you three to clear the tracks. Toby and Mavis would use their cow catchers. Sonny had a snowplow fitted. They set to work. Mavis cleared the snow.
All right, all right.
Sonny was puffing along, clearing the main line. His snowplow was big and strong, which made it easy work for him. Sonny came to a drift.
Should I charge it?
He said.
Yes.
And he charged it, and with a huge effort, he cleared the main line. Toby was not having as much luck. He had come to a big drift too. Oh no, he said. I can't get through. I can't get through, he said. Sonny puffed up.
Can I help?
An engine with a snowplow, that's just the ticket, said Toby. Sonny went on to Toby's track and puffed and puffed and puffed. Go, Sonny, go it, Sonny, go it, said Toby.
I don't know if I can.
And he did it. At last, the line was clear. And Sonny had a welcome surprise.
Hello, Sonny,
said Percy.
Percy,
said Sonny.
You're back from the steamworks. Yeah, I'm back. And happy to work with you. I'm happy to work with you too.
And the two friends were happy to be reunited.